Hello. Today we are going to solve the question number 5 from ISS 2019 paper 2. Here we are given an ANOVA table uh, and we need to find the values of W, X, Y and Z respectively from these given four options. Okay. Now first we copy the ANOVA table from the question. SS treatment, error and total. Degrees of freedom 12, 14 and W. Sum of square, sorry, this is SV and this is SS, is X, Z and 561. MS are Y and 25 and test statistic is 5.22. Now W is equals to 14 minus 12, which is results in 2. We know that test statistic is equals to MSA by MSE, and here the value of MSA is given as Y and the value of MSE is given 25 and the value of test statistic is 5.22. Therefore the value of Y will be 25 multiplied by 5.22, which results in 5.22 multiplied by 25, which is 130.5, that is 130.5. Okay, therefore from this we can say that the option A is the correct option, as there is no other options which consist of the value of Y as 130.5 and only the option A consists the value of Y as 130.5. Therefore option A is the correct option, but for convenience we check the other options also, or we check the other values of W, X and Z also. Therefore we replace Y in the ANOVA table with 130.5. Okay, as we know that MSE is equals to SSE divided by the degrees of freedom. Now SSE is given as Z and the degrees of freedom, or the degrees of freedom for the error is 12 and the MSE is given as 25. Therefore 25 multiplied by 12 is equals to Z, now which results in 300. Okay, so the correct value of Z is 300. Okay, therefore if we subtract 300 from 561, we get the value of SS treatment. Therefore SS treatment is 561 minus 300, which results in 261. Okay, so the correct value of X is 261, and we already have the correct value of W as 2. So as we can see, these values are given in the option A, therefore the option A is the correct option. Option A is correct. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much.